Here is how you can open multiple tabs in iPadOS 26. So let's get started. If you're new here on this channel on Foxtecc, make sure you subscribe because I have so many tips and tutorials coming up and I don't want you to miss them. Anyways, on the iPad, at first open up settings and go to the multitasking and gestures and make sure that multitasking is turned on. So you would switch from the full screen apps only to the windowed apps, at least, right? There's also Stage Manager, which works a little different. I guess it would get the job done, but I like the windowed apps approach. And this essentially means that whenever I open up the Safari, right, it is going to be usually in the full screen mode, but I can grab the bottom right corner of the window and make it smaller. So actually like more windows can fit on the screen. And once I have it like this, I can slightly swipe down from the top edge of the display and get the controls which are similar to the MacBook, right? And in there, I can click on the window and decide that I'm gonna add a new window. So technically, I'm not adding a new tab to Safari, but I can have two websites open side by side, right? So I can switch, between them. I can show up one website on one window, then another one on the other, right? So that is pretty cool, but I can keep on going. I can just perform the very same thing again and add another window on top of them, right? And I can add more and more. Obviously, there's going to be some limit, but you can most definitely replicate the look of a computer or full desktop mode where you get to see multiple websites at the same time. Me personally, I just like to have two things open, like two instances of Safari, and I just grab the window on the right and I flick it to the side. I do the same thing for another one and I then get the divider in the middle, so I just take up the full screen with these two windows and even decide how large or how split they are gonna be. But that is all from me. I really hope I could help you out and assist with this. Thanks a lot for watching and I hope to see you later in the next videos as well.